Welcome to RV Road Report. Today we're bringing you an exclusive first look at the brand new 2025 Bailey Adamo camper van motorhome. This beauty is designed for adventure lovers who crave freedom, comfort, and rugged performance all in one package. We'll take you through every angle inside and out, exploring its unique features, and by the end, you'll see why it's perfect for your next road trip. So buckle up and join us on this tour. Exterior front view. Here we are, standing in the showroom with the Bailey Adamo camper van motorhome in vibrant white. Just look at that bold front design, sleek lines, and the iconic Bailey logo right at the center. The rugged long body gives it a strong presence, and those four wheels. They're ready to take you anywhere from highways to off-road trails. The front lighting setup is stylish yet functional, giving you maximum visibility for those long night drives. It's not just a motorhome. It's a statement on the road. Topside view. Now, let's get a bird's eye view of this beauty. On top, you'll notice the solar panels perfectly integrated for off-grid adventures. There's a sleek antenna for connectivity and an efficient outer AC unit keeping the interior cool no matter where you are. Every detail up here is designed for practical use and aesthetic appeal. Whether it's sunlight or a long journey, this camper van ensures you're always powered up and comfortable. Backside view. Moving to the back, check out how efficiently the extra tire is mounted and the cleverly designed cycle carrier. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want to bring bikes along. The back layout is clean, sturdy, and ready for adventure. It's clear the designers thought about functionality, safety, and convenience. You can literally load up your gear, head out, and never worry about leaving essentials behind. Side view. On this side, we have a unique addition, the foldable side tent for outdoor sitting. Imagine a sunny morning with coffee in hand, enjoying the fresh air right beside your motorhome. The side panels are sleek and the overall exterior design is compact yet spacious. It's these little touches that turn a simple road trip into a luxury camping experience. Driving compartment. Stepping inside the driving compartment, you'll notice it's designed for both comfort and control. Dual-laid screens, one for navigation and one for the rear view, ensure safety while driving. The seating is ergonomic, adjustable, and perfect for long drives. Controls are within easy reach and visibility is excellent. This is where precision meets comfort, making every journey smooth and enjoyable. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driving compartment, we have the sitting and sleeping area. The sofa conveniently converts into a bed, making the most of the space without compromising comfort. Cushions, storage compartments, and a cozy layout make it ideal for both relaxation and overnight stays. Whether it's a quick nap or a full night's sleep, this area has you covered. Kitchen. Right next to the sitting area is a compact yet fully functional kitchen. You'll find a small stove, sink, and countertop space for meal prep. Storage cabinets are cleverly placed, making organization easy. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you can cook comfortably while enjoying the road trip vibes. This kitchen makes it possible to feel right at home, no matter where you park. Washroom. Even in a compact motorhome, the Bailey Adamo doesn't compromise on convenience. Here's the washroom, small but smartly designed. It has just enough space for a shower, toilet, and a small sink, all efficiently arranged. Perfect for maintaining hygiene while traveling without taking up too much room. It's a thoughtful addition for those who want full amenities on the road. So there you have it, the 2025 Bailey Adamo camper van motorhome in all its glory. Vibrant white, rugged four wheels, spacious interior, compact kitchen, cozy sleeping area, and all the features you need for a perfect adventure, and the price. $167,000, a worthy investment for freedom, comfort, and endless exploration. What do you think about this camper van? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.